Alright. YouTube random stuff. Nah, nah, just joking, man. Nah, just joking. Um, what he does is sit on random stuff number one. What is number two? Like, subscribe, like and subscribe. Subscribe if you like it. Like it if you don't. Shit. Like and subscribe, or subscribe if you don't like this. If you don't like this, subscribe. If you like it, like and subscribe. Yada yada yada. Y'all for YouTubers, you all know what the fuck to do. Yeah, I know. As I said, this is number two. I talk about people fucking snoring at night when you're trying to sleep. Well, when you're trying to sleep next to them, like, there's you. You're like sad about motherfucking sound. Um, start with the mean things that you could always do while people fucking sleep and then they snore. One thing is you can turn around, go in there with a fucking plunger, stick it to the face, fucking pump that shit, be like, wake the fuck up. That looks wrong. No, just joking. Um, but yeah, no, legit, you can go in there with a fucking, um, go in there with a plunger and stick to the face and fucking pound the shit out of that damn plunger off the face. Fucking wake them up. Another thing you can do is you can turn around, fucking reach over and fucking plug their fucking nose. If you don't understand me, I said you can reach over and plug their fucking nose. You know, like just you do that. You can't see up. See, you can't fucking see up. That's all you gotta do is plug the nose. And thing you can do is you can turn around. If they're a heavy sleeper, or if they are a light sleeper but they don't wake up, keep grabbing them, picking up, and moving their hand wherever, right? Take it, you pick it up, and you fucking put their fingers in their fucking noses. They're not actually gonna do it, but legit, you take their fingers and put them in their fucking noses. And then wake up with their fingers in their nose. And then when they wake up, they're like, what the fuck? What did I do during my sleep? um, what else? Oh, a water bottle. Like if you got like a spray bottle, like a breeze bottle, I guess you could say, one of those squirt bottles, like a breeze bottle. You turn around, you fucking fill out with water, cold water, like fucking ice, fucking cold. You have to put it in the freezer for about, I'd say, anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes. So say like 15 minutes. Actually, no, safe side, half an hour. Keep it in there for between 20 minutes to half an hour. So it freezes up a bit so then the water's so cold. You fucking go up, so just say, copyright. Holy fuck. It's like 10 to 6 in the fucking morning here. Once again, Moose Jaw. Once again, your boy Tag. Not asleep, obviously. I'm a night hawk. Watch you like a hawk. No, legit. Okay, what you could do is turn around, fill a freeze bottle, freeze bottle with ice cold water. Go in there and just fucking spray that shit up their fucking nose, both fucking nostrils. Fucking, I promise you, it'll be the funniest shit ever that you'll see. Whatever happens after that, well, that's your fucking fault, because you're the one that took that advice and you fucking did it. I'm actually gonna wait for my girl to fall asleep and we're gonna go in there and take a fucking video. It's funny as shit. Take a video of my fucking wife. It's be funny. So I'm just gonna plug her fucking nose. Just that's all I'm gonna do. I don't know if she's asleep yet, so all I know is she went to lay down and go to bed. I don't know if you can see, but my eyes might be a bit red. Yeah, they're fucking red. Yeah, they're fucking red. Yeah, my eyes are like bloodshot red. Not because I'm tired, but because of the fact that I got high and I'm starting to burn out. So, fucking screw y'all. Lace up, niggas. Lace up, motherfuckers. MGK here. Lace the fuck up. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, pretty much every damn video I have to have the camera like this. I don't get this in there. Right there. So I don't want that in my favorite videos. I know it's Marilyn Monroe. I know a bunch of you guys probably like it. Whatever. Fuck you. If you like me, find me somewhere else. It's not in my videos. So fuck you. I know I'm not censored. I'm completely uncensored. Yeah, just give me a bit. Let's see if we can fucking do. See if I can fucking check. I can pull out my ass and fucking pull out my fucking wifey in there, but shh, fucking secret. You fucking snitching bitches. But no, legit. Last night I was trying to fucking sleep. Like I was trying to get to sleep, and my girl's sitting there. No one hears just for about close to 5 minutes, right? Close to 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that's it. That's all I heard that for. And all of a sudden, she rolls over, fucking just air mauls me, and fucking her fucking face is like legit like what is it? Shit trying to get used to this different camera here. But legit her fucking face is like right here. Like say this is her face right here. And fucking her face is legit like that close to fucking ear and over that. All I hear is fucking this is like holy fuck snoring machine, but I'll fucking admit it. I snore in my sleep. Shit, I fucking yell, scream, and swear at motherfuckers in my sleep. You know why? Because I'm uncensored. I'm explicit. Just like how fucking YouTube should have all the damn videos. It's like, if you're gonna have if you're gonna have a censored song to a song that has swears, then don't fucking listen to it. If you're gonna fucking listen to it, listen to the uncensored part. Don't fucking listen to fucking censored bullshit. Don't even fucking put censored on it unless you put it on the goddamn fucking radio. Like, just dumb. But anyways, this is like 7.5 minutes long. I'm gonna peace out. That's like 7.5 minutes of random shit. Like, subscribe. If you like it, then like it. And subscribe. Do both. If you don't like it, then subscribe. Peace.